single-beam carbon folding bikes on the market have a poor track record, lacking stiffness, even experiencing frame breakage. Dahon resolved to develop a truly safe and high-performance carbon fiber folding bike, offering high-caliber design, lightness, speed, and stability for bike lovers worldwide. Clinch C10 brings real freedom over short distances as much as comfortable and efficient long routes. Count on a fast and safe experience with strong braking and great flexibility. This high-end, high-tech machine is a joy to behold as much as it is to ride. Designed around the strongest and most classic bicycle frame configuration, the diamond-shaped frame employs imported carbon fiber. High-strength, low-density carbon fiber boasts outstanding mechanical properties and performance. Frame and fork are safe, strong, and stunning, passing EU safety tests with ease. Patented built-in tool, that tool. Lightweight and compact yet powerful. Faster to use than a ratchet wrench. Stows inside the handlebar for convenient and quick access. Lockjaw frame hinge. Patented technology. Concealed joints fit tightly in place with precision teeth. Extremely strong and reliable locking force. Fast and simple tooled operation. Dahon patented technology joins carbon and folding parts together flawlessly. Aviation-grade alloy and carbon fiber together in harmony. A common compatibility problem has been overcome for a strong and stable bike. Outward folding Eiffel handle post. Highly rigid, simple folding and unfolding. Fast and effortless, strong and easily secured. Handle post stays put when folded, protecting from damage. Transmission. Shimano Tiagra transmission with light and precise shifting. Brakes. Tektro hydraulic disc brakes. Unleash powerful braking force at any time. Easy control at your fingertips. Wheels. Dahon custom lightweight wheel set. Excellent power, low wind resistance, high precision forbearing hub. Wheel set designed for stiffness and better power transmission. Folded size, length 87 centimeters, width 40 centimeters, height 69 centimeters, weight only 9.7 kilograms, max load 105 kilograms. Dahon is a brand with more than 40 years pedigree. Guinness World Record title for world's largest manufacturer of folding bikes. More than 500 multinational patents. Most folding bikes worldwide owe their heritage to Dahon's DNA. Collaborations welcome, accept no imitations. Born from Dahon's awesome folding technology with consistently excellent quality. Other products cannot compare. Choose Dahon.